Stop scrolling. These 3 AI websites are paying people every single day, and beginners can start with just a phone and internet. First, AI writing tools. Here's a simple 4-step guide to get started. Step 1. Sign up for a popular AI writing assistant. Many have free trials. Step 2. Go to a freelance marketplace like Fiverr and create a compelling profile. Highlight that you use AI to deliver fast. Step 3. Create your first gig. Offer something simple like AI-powered blog topic ideas or social media captions. Price it competitively to get your first review. Step 4. When you get an order, use the AI tool to generate the base content. Your job is to then edit, fact-check, and add a human touch before delivering it to the client. Next, AI video tools. Here's how you can turn this into a side hustle. Step 1. Find an AI video generator that creates videos from text. Look for one with a good library of stock footage. Step 2. On that same freelance site, create a gig for short-form videos for TikTok and Reels. Many businesses want this, but don't have the time. Step 3. When a client gives you a script or an article, you simply paste it into the AI tool. Step 4. The AI will generate a video with clips, music, and subtitles. Review the video, make any necessary edits, and deliver the final product. Finally, AI design tools. Here's the beginner's game plan. Step 1. Sign up for an AI-powered design tool. Many are famous for creating graphics from text descriptions. Step 2. Create a focused gig, like 3 viral YouTube thumbnails. Show examples in your portfolio. Step 3. When you get a client, ask for their video title or post topic. Step 4. Input that information into the AI tool. It will generate several design options. Choose the best one, make minor tweaks if needed, and deliver it. AI is creating new opportunities online. The sooner you start learning these tools, the sooner you can start earning.